Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about geometrical meaning of zeros of polynomial. In this video consists a linear polynomial and a quadratic polynomial. Geometrical meaning of linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. First, geometrical meaning means the representation of polynomial in coordinate plane graph is geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. First, linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. The coordinate plane which divide two perpendicular lines. The horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. The intersecting both x and y-axis is called origin. So in linear polynomial, the graph is always straight line. In x-axis, all y value is 0 and y-axis x value is 0. Here, this is the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 3. The exponent of the variable 1, 2x plus 3 is linear polynomial. When y is equal to 0, the corresponding x value is 0 of the polynomial. In this case, here minus 3 by 2, 0. Here y is equal to 0. Then minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3. The graph of the linear polynomial is straight line. The straight line intersects only one point in x-axis. The coordinate x0, x comma 0, where x is the 0 of the given polynomial. In this graph, minus 3 by 2 is the zeros of the polynomial. So graph of linear polynomial is straight line. Such a straight line intersect only one point on x-axis. Only one point on x-axis. When y value is 0, the corresponding x value is zeros of the polynomial. When y value is equal to 0, the corresponding x value is equal to zeros of the polynomial. In this case, minus 3 by 2. Next, quadratic polynomial. There are three cases is there. The graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. Case 1, two different 0. The parabola intersect 2 points in x-axis. Case 2, 2 equals 0. The parabola touches only 1 point in x-axis. Case 3, no 0. The parabola touches in detached in x-axis. Different 0, the parabola intersects 2 points in x-axis. Case 2, 2 equals 0. The parabola touches only 1 point in x-axis. Case 3, no 0. The parabola detached in x-axis. The parabola intersect maximum number of point is 2. The parabola intersect maximum number of point in x-axis is 2. Is 2. Then first case 1, 2, 0. 2, 0 means the parabola intersect 2 points in x-axis. When y is equal to 0, the x value is zeros of the polynomial. In this graph, y is equal to 0, the point is 4, 0, minus 1, 0. When y is equal to 0, the x value, corresponding x value is zeros of the polynomial. In this graph, 4 and minus 1 is zeros of the polynomial of given polynomial. Minus 1 and 4 is the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Second case 1, 0. 1, 0 means the parabola touches single point on x-axis. In graph, when y is equal to 0, the x value is zeros of the polynomial. Here, this is the graph of two polynomials. Zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 4 is 2. Because y is equal to 0, 2.0. Then zeros of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 1 is 1. When y is equal to 0, the corresponding x value is equal to zeros of the polynomial. First graph x square minus 4x plus 4. The y value is 0. The point is 2, 0. 2 is the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 4. Second polynomial minus x square plus 2x minus 1. The y value 0 is 1, 0. Then 1 is the zeros of the polynomial minus x square plus 2x minus 4. Case 3, no 0. In no 0, the parabola not touch on x-axis. Then x have no value. This is the third case. No 0, the parabola detached in x-axis, not touching x-axis. So this is a no 0 case. Last conclusion. The graph of linear polynomial is straight line. The graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. The parabola intersect maximum 2 point in x-axis. In graph, when y is equal to 0, then the corresponding x value is zeros of the polynomial. The graphical representation of polynomial stands for geometrical meaning of the polynomial. The quadratic polynomial consists of two equal zeros, two different zeros, and no zeros. So here we concluded all the things about geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. The geometrical mean means graphical representation of polynomial in coordinate. Graphical representation of polynomial stands for geometrical meaning of the polynomial. So all important things covered. Graphical geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. Thank you for watching.